It didn't let me join your server.
Holy goodness.
Get the elevator.
That's a green baboon.
Guys, we should set up a
I'm
trap.
playing
Oh
now.
man, you'll die! Oh man, I hate this job. Wait, what happened to my troops?
I got
Oh,
one.
man. Wait a minute, I thought the best troops were B2, B2 me baboons and
Traps.
regular me baboons. Oh, I'm kinda good.
Me too. I think I'm gonna die.
I gotta
me.
kill these regular baboons so I can get
Help.
the war and get over it.
Help.
Oh god.
Where are you?
Damn, my aim's garbage.
Woo. Ah, I'm here.
I need that. Hands up. Hold on, let me check on your match. Hold on. Let's see. You are a regular baboon, so I have to execute you. Since you didn't heard about the war that's going on against me baboons and regular baboons, so
Where are you?
hold on. Give me a sec. Oh,
What place are you at?
you can. But you guys gotta start running. Ah, you missed. Hands up. Put the gun down. Put it down. Put the gun down. Win this battle. This is
Who
real.
lets me jump?